Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download BMO digital application on your Android phone. So let's get started right away without further ado. Start off by open your Play Store. In the search box, type in BMO digital and search. Once you find this application in the search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading BMO Digital Banking application for your Android phone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and once it's done, tap on the Open button to launch Open BMO Digital Banking on your Android phone. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.